The White House. I mean, the White House says, look, hey, there should be no age limit on child sex denying changes. They call it gender affirming care. I call it gender denying care because that's what they're doing. They're not affirming anything. They're denying gender and they're trying to transition away from their agenda. So these gender denying changes, they think, yeah, anybody at any age could do it. You know, our position is this, and we've said it before. Once you're an adult over the age of 18, and as long as taxpayers aren't paying for it, what you decide to do, that's up to you. But when you're a minor, there are certain things you're not old enough to be able to decide on your own. We know how kids have their ways with their parents. And in this case, parents should not be allowed to mutilate and emotionally destroy their children. I think we have to say that. I mean, look, we're normally not, we're for parental rights. But when parents, I mean, there are some things that are just so obvious. So I understand the trick to this here, right? We say parents should be able to control their kids, but parents can't murder their kids. Parents can't injure their kids. They can't cut them with a knife or something like that. Well, and they can't ask somebody else to cut them with a knife. So it's not just a parental rights issue. This is child abuse. The left wants you to think it's child abuse if you don't allow your kid to have gender denying surgery or hormones or drugs or emotional manipulation. They want you to think that denying your kid that harmful transgender path is child abuse, when you and I know it's actually child abuse to allow that to happen to your kid, to allow them to be surgically mutilated, to allow them to take puberty blockers and other hormones that aren't natural to their God-given gender, and to allow them to continue to think that they're and pretend that they're something they're not. You're screwing with their brain, you're screwing with their body, you're screwing with their hormones, but you're not changing their genes. You're either XX or XY, and there's nothing in the world that's going to change that.